Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear viewers, this is channel Talashe Haq. We are sitting in our studio. We have started about the celebration about the Hazrat Musleh Maud. This is the part number 4. I request Sheikh Muhammad Yunus Sahab, retired Murabbi Silsila. Please let us know about the Hazrat Musleh Maud.
In this regard, I would like to tell our viewers that this is the history of all the messengers of God. So when we studied the history of the messengers, we find out that all those messengers were from God, but as soon as they have migrated from their their center to any other country or any other place, so that is the time when they got a victory of their message. So if we cannot discuss all, but when you see Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, he migrated with his wife and his child Hazrat Ismail alayhi salatu wasalam. So after this migration, what happened? That is God reward them, Chashma Zamzam there, and God reward them also. And they have repaired the house of God, Mecca, who was the house of God. So
Khana
Kaaba, that from all over the world, those people who are believe God and who are believe the prophets, their prophets, they were coming to make a Hajj there every year. And that time when Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam migrated from Iraq to Mecca, that is the time when they have, after his migration, he got this victory of his message. And again Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, also he was a messenger of God and he preached his message, but in own places near where he was living in Misr, in Egypt. So after that, when he feel that now his message is not spreading in that place, and God guide him to, and the opponents was disturbing him, and they don't want to be that let his message not go far. So Hazrat, God guide him to migrate from Misr to the other place. So when he migrated from that place and he went there with his companion, so that is the time when they got progress in their mission. Also, when we study the Christianity, so also we saw there that Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, Jesus Christ, he was preaching so many times, so many places, place to place. He was, but there was the Jews. They don't want to listen his message. They don't want that his message will be spread. So that's why when he feel the problems that they don't want to accept my message, so God guide him to from Palestine to go to leave that place and migrate to India. So he went to India through by Afghanistan. He stay also in Mari, in Isa Khail, in Musa Khail. When we read the history of Jesus Christ, we find out also, as in the Holy Quran also, وَأَوَيْنَهُمَا إِلَىٰ رَبَّةٍ ذَاتِ قَرَارٍ وَمَعِينٍ. So this verse of Holy Quran also is showing that he migrated, he lived at Palestine, and he migrated through Iran, through the Afghanistan, and through Murray, and he reached Kashmir, and he was preaching very freely there, and he got the many people listened his message. He alive there 120 years, and his message was accepted so many people by so many people.
These examples of migration, I think every prophet have to migrate for success.
For success.
For success.
Yes, it looks like that is the phenomena from the God.
Oh, yes.
That when the God message, the opponents don't want to be listened and don't want to leave the messenger to spread his message. So that is the time when God show him that now my messenger should be migrate there. And
leader of all prophet also Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam
also migrated
from Makkah to
Medina. Yes, after 12 years, after 13 years, their believers and his companion, they were patient.
Yes.
All kind of the disturbance which opponents give the people, and disturbed him and looted their house, destroyed their house.
It means migration is the success for...
is the part of success.
Part of success of prophets.
And it is the foundation of success.
Foundation of success. In this way, the Hazrat Musleh Maud also migrate yes, from Qadian to
the Pakistan.
Rabwa, Pakistan.
Pakistan, yes.
Yes.
The Hazrat Musleh Maud. So from that also we studied in the Tazkirah, which is the book of Revelation of Prophet, of the Imam Mahdi alayhi salatu wasalam.
There is an ilham.
There is a ilham, revelation that God revealed on him, Dage Hijrat.
Dage Hijrat.
Dage Hijrat means there will be a sign when his mission must be a migrate from Qadian to any other place. Although the promised Messiah himself, he also traveled in many places. He traveled in Amritsar, he traveled in Delhi, he traveled also in Lahore, he traveled also in Hoshiarpur, he traveled also in Ludhiana, and he spread the message. But when he saw that now his message is not going too far, even Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam, he sent so many letters to the different kind of different country, their kings. But still it was time that when the time come on the Hazrat Muslim معودرضی Allah Ta'ala anhu, because we are celebrating today Hazrat Muslim life of the Muslim معودرضی Allah Ta'ala anhu, that we want to be focused on the those stories which can explain that Muslim Maud, he was a big journal. That like God told the promised Messiah that Jariullah fi hulil anbiya, that Khuda ka pehlwan nabiyon ke libas mein. So Hazrat Muslim Maud, he was the Jariullah, he was the pehlwan, he was the strongest man. So when he according to the time, it was a must for him to migrate from India in 1947. So they, first of all, they came in Lahore and they stayed some time there. And after that, they came in Cheniot. So after that, in Ahmednagar also, they stayed some time.
He saw any dream in this
yes.
days?
Yes, he saw a dream. God showed him that you should be buy land, very big land to stay there, and to build a new city there.
Yes.
So when he told his companion, so they try to go and show difference in different cities. They went there. They also went to be Nushaira also, and they examined the places. But anyhow, those people who were on duty, they decide that we should be decide that close to this river, Chenab river, we should be define this place to buy for this our mission. So when they bring the report to Hazrat Musleh Maud, so Hazrat Musleh Maud said, let me go and see myself. So Hazrat Musleh Maud went there and see. When he saw the first time, he said, oh, my dream, I have saw there that place is very big and it is a very green and very nice place, but this looks too much bushes, too much so many places. This land is not able to grow some kind of fruits and other some vegetables, this that. So
because Sheikh Sahab, this land was left by the other governments.
Yeah.
That this land is not able for agriculture, or resident.
For resident.
For resident. This is not able because there is no water in this land.
No water, yes.
This is why.
And what water was there? That was bitter water.
Yes.
It was a saltish water.
Yeah.
Not sweet water.
And in spite this, the Khalifa al-Musleh Maud decided
still
to stay there.
Yes, he focused that I think so that maybe God want to be this land, and but it will be later on, it will become green and it will become nice. So he told his companion that they should be sacrifice 6, 5, 8 animals for sacrifice.
Yes.
And their different places, and also they call azan also
for
four corners
of the
Rabwa, and they have celebrate this opening of Rabwa. And a historical place also, there was one mosque which is in the hospital, Fazl Umar Hospital.
Yeah, first of all the pray Hazrat Musleh Maud.
First of all, Hazrat Musleh Maud was pray there. Lead the prayer there.
Yes.
And also they build a hospital there, Fazl Umar Hospital. They build their mosque, Mubarak Mosque. They build their Aqsa Mosque. Even in all Jamia Ahmadiyya. And also he built their Tariq-e-Deed offices. And Anjuman offices also there. Qasr-e Khilafat also they build after that. And in I think in 10 years the city was very nice, and it was looks new city. Yes. And when we reached there for study in Jamia, we saw there about more than 40-50 mosques was there.
Yeah.
And but anyhow, and also there one miracle also happened there. There was a press also, Ahmadiyya press. When they were printing the Akhbar al-Fazl. They were printing other so many kind of literature. And also they print the Holy Quran there.
Yes.
And Hazrat Musleh Maud also built a Jamia Ahmadiyya there.
Yes.
Jamia, and also Mubashirin, Jamiatul Mubashirin there. Yes. He built. And also he built a Waqf-e-Jadid mosque, office there. Khudam al-Ahmadiyya Hall.
Yes, Khudam al-Ahmadiyya
Hall. And also in Sarla Hall.
Yes.
So many kind of buildings.
Langar Khana.
Langar Khana also. Langar Khana Masih Maud.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Langar Khana Masih Maud.
Time is over, my dear viewer. The Rawah today, which was a desert in 1947, and Musleh Maud decided to buy this land and make new city. Now Rawa is very beautiful city, very tree in the Rawa, and very
nice place.
Very nice place to see. This is a gift for the migration of the Muslim Maud.
And Tarhat also.
Tarhat
is a big
Institute and Fadl Umar Hospital. Very, very
big achievement.
Big achievement by Allah. Inshallah, time is over. Next, you will see again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.